How to use your Ppto card at Walmart. 1. Call out. If you know you won't be able to work your shift, call out using the Walmart call-in line or report your absence through the One Walmart website or the Me Walmart app. Make sure to do this before your shift starts to avoid extra points. 2. Wait for shift start. Do not apply your Ppto before your shift starts. Wait until after your scheduled start time to ensure it auto-approves. 3. Submit Ppto request. After your shift has started, go to the Me at Walmart app or the GTA portal on One Walmart. Navigate to Time Off Requests and select New Request. Enter details. Input the number of hours you need to cover with Ppto and select the reason for your absence. Make sure the hours match your missed shift. 5. Submit and confirm. Submit your request. The system should auto-approve it, usually by the next day, as long as it's done after your shift starts. 6. Check status. Verify that your Ppto request has been approved in the app to ensure no points are added to your attendance record. That's it. You're ready to shop using your Ppto card at Walmart.